Hey, hey you, come in here. I gotta show you something. A little fireball. You know how we did that bar crawl last night? We're doing watershed crawl today. Got a little fireball. We'll see where these things take us later. Watch this. Y'all come down here with me. Let me turn you around. This is the second watershed. We're going to 3 today. And maybe a cave. I don't know. Here it is. I would almost jump in because I don't give a shit today. Anyways, that's where we're at today. Y'all should have been here. See y'all.